Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka Office Traikam jong ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaiñtia Hills ka balabu hakmat ya ka thong kentiu ya ka puli puthi hapo ka District Barok away kat kum balaproj dak haga Right to Education Act 8000 khandai haga arpho tarik uliber arpho arpulai kalapin long ya ka Jinghikai ka Kyrpang na ka benta ki principal ki head teacher jong ki school ha Inclusive Education Resource Center IERS mi mintru ban pin shai bat ban pin snothu shaphang ka kamram jong ki board pin yat school ha ka ba yadai bat ki Khynnah ki badon jingduna ha ki department but Kyrpang ru Halor ka hok jong ki Khynnah katkum ka Right to Persons with Disabilities Act 8000 khatn rio ki rio shampang jong ka SSA West Jaiñtia Hills ki bakinthop ya ka block resource person ka Mary G Moment bat u coordinator IE jong ka SSA West Jaiñtia Hills u LK Singh kila batay shaphang ki Inclusive Education bat ya ki arphuway tali ki Jinghikai ki bapin hap hapo ka Right to Persons with Disabilities Act 8000 khatn rio.
In the past, the children with disability, they are not included in the general school, where the general children are in the classroom or which are they are not included. The children with special needs, in the past, in the 1890s, they are segregated. But how do they get education? How do they get education? These children. We are talking about children with special needs. This children with special needs, in the past, in the 1890s, up to 2000, you can say, up to 20s, these children, at that time, these children, before inclusive education come up, these children are engaged in the special school. Their education is done in the special school. What does it mean when we say special school? A special school means is meant only for the specified disability. For example, a children with blind. A children with blind. These children do their education there. In a school for the blind. Which caters only for the blind. Right? So that means it's a special school only for them. Means that a children with other disability cannot come to the school with the blind. So that's why that school is said to be a special school. Which is only for the blind or the low vision. Or when you talk about the child with hearing impaired, he can't hear. Then again, a special school for them, a school for the children with hearing impairment. So that is a special school only for them.